Today we're making Spanish chorizo pasta right here on the beach. This is one of my all-time favorite camping meals for a few reasons. It's extremely tasty, it's super easy to make, it's got plenty of veggies in there, but the best part about it is that it's a true one-pan dish, which means a lot less cleanup afterwards. There's a bit of wind hanging around on the beach today, so I am very grateful to be using this Dune Induction Cooktop. These things are totally unaffected by wind, making them perfect for camp cookups like these. So I'll just plug this into my battery over here. All my ingredients are prepped and ready to go, and it's time to start cooking, which is great news because it's pretty close to lunchtime and I am starving. Firstly, we're going to pop a large pan on a medium to high heat and add a drizzle of extra virgin olive oil. Once that pan's hot, we're going to add about 200 grams or so of chopped chorizo and let that get a bit of a head start for a minute or so. Next, we're adding half a diced onion, half a diced capsicum, half a zucchini sliced into half moons, and half a head of minced garlic. Let that cook for about 5 minutes, stirring every now and then to make sure it all cooks evenly. Once those veggies have softened, add in 400 grams of diced tomatoes, 2 tablespoons of finely chopped parsley, and season generously with salt and pepper. Give that all a stir around to combine, add 2.5 cups of vegetable stock and bring it to the boil. Now that's bubbling away, we're going to add in 2 cups of penne pasta. Give everything one last stir around, turn the heat down to medium and leave it to simmer for 10 minutes. Okay, so it's been about 10 minutes and that liquid is reduced by about half. So we're going to give it another stir, turn the heat down to low and leave it for another 3 to 4 minutes. And that should get our pasta nice and al dente. You can also pop a lid on at this point if you think it's looking dry. And just like that, our Spanish chorizo pasta is finished and smelling unbelievable. Actually, it's almost finished because no Spanish pasta is ever complete without some freshly grated manchego cheese. Gotta get a bit of everything. Yum, that is a tough meal to beat for off-grid cooking, and the best part about it is we've only dirtied the one pan. Definitely add that to your list of meals to try on your next adventure. I guarantee it'll become one of your favorites.